How to disable auto video quality 480p on YouTube and set HD as default. So if you want to disable auto video quality on YouTube and set it as HD, then first you need to open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, you just need to simply go and select a video. For example, I'll be choosing one. Now, once you open the video, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that settings option. And under settings, you need to go with the quality section. Once you tap on quality, now here you will have auto, higher picture quality, data saver, and advanced, right? So you just need to simply go with higher picture quality. But if it applies only for your current video, and if you want to set it as default, then again go with settings and go with the quality and tap on settings and go with video quality preferences, which is on the bottom. And here it will take you to the video quality preferences. Under video quality preferences, you just need to simply go and choose the video quality preference on your network, like mobile network or Wi-Fi. So in most cases, I use Wi-Fi, so I'll be choosing Wi-Fi and then go with higher picture quality and then your Wi-Fi. And after that, it will be set as default. So that's how you can disable your auto video quality on YouTube from 480 to HD. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.